Good morning, everybody. Guess what? Coupons.com, they added some more great coupons. I can't remember if this was on here, but we got $1.50 off of air. The Sensodyne, a lot of you guys get these in your inserts, but some people don't. We got $1 off of 2-Dial, $2 off of Eucerin, $2 off of Nivea, $2 off of Gliss, Pepsid AC, more Airwick, $2 off of Clairol. Persil, that's an awesome coupon. $1.50, $1, there was a $3 one. $5 off of 2, that's an okay coupon. Then we got 75 cents off of Tums, $1 off of Dial or Tone body wash. And then we have $1 off of Speed Stick, the twin packs, $1 off of all, which has been there for a while, but this is a better coupon for Chic razors. And I think that was it. No, they added $2.50 and then some Benefibers, and then this is a great coupon, buy 2 get 1 free. And I think that is it for the coupons.com. And then we go to Smart Source and they added a lot of the same coupons to their site. So just wanted to show you guys that. So make sure you guys print these coupons, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye bye.